How to perform Tartibi Ghusl. After one makes his intention to perform Tartibi Ghusl, he or she must wash the whole head, including the neck. Then the right side of the body, then the left side of the body. It is necessary to perform these actions in order, and if one does not follow this order intentionally, out of forgetfulness or out of ignorance, their ghusl is void. To make sure all three parts are washed completely, one must wash a little of the adjacent parts along with each part. It is not necessary that one uses the hands to wash the body. Instead, it is enough that water reaches all parts of the body with the intention of ghusl, even if the water reaches the body directly.